So let's get some practice in Excel. In your VLOOKUP exercise workbook, go to tab EX2, and you'll see similar data that we looked at before, but this time with villains and with a few more things to fill in. Let's begin by highlighting the cells that you want to assign a name. And up here on the left, you'll see a name box. Click into that name box and give it a name. In this case, type in hero and hit enter. Now, when you write your VLOOKUP, rather than having to highlight the cells, you can simply write in hero. There you have Steven Rogers. Now when you copy this over, obviously it's not going to work because Magneto is not in the heroes dataset. So now let's assign a name to our villains dataset. And we can go into the cell and type in villain. Now to take this one step further, let's talk about the indirect function. So in these cases, you actually had to type in hero into the function for it to work. Now, if we simply referred to a cell that said hero, like I'm doing now, and hit enter, it returns an error. That's because it's looking for the lookup value Captain America in the data hero. Now, using an indirect function and referring to that cell, the indirect function will actually go into and find the contents of that cell and treat it as a named range, as you can see here. And now when I copy this over, it now refers to the name of the other data set. So I can have one function and just copy and paste it, and it'll look up the data set that it should be referring to. And that's what makes these VLOOKUPs dynamic. Go ahead and try it on your own by filling in cells B and C 11 and 12 with Captain America and Magneto's actual name and weapon of choice by using the VLOOKUP with the named arrays and the indirect functions.